Today we are making a simple Japanese dish of vegetable tempura. For this dish we will need our tempura batter and our chosen vegetables. Today we've gone for carrots. We will need to simply take a piece of carrot, I'll go for this piece, place inside our batter until it is nicely coated. Okay, like so. Once we have a nice coating on our vegetables, it's over to the fryer. Okay guys, here we go. This is our lovely fried tempura, carrot, or any vegetable of your choosing.